You have already studied what is free fall and what is acceleration due to gravity. You have also studied how acceleration due to gravity varies when we go above the surface of the earth, and how acceleration due to gravity varies when we go deep inside the earth. Now one more topic, that is variation of acceleration due to gravity when we go from the pole to the equator. How does acceleration due to gravity varies from pole to the equator? You know Earth is flattened at the poles. This shape is particularly known as geoid. Earth is slightly flattened towards pole. That means the polar radius, suppose the polar radius is Rp and equatorial radius is Re. Polar radius is less than that of equatorial radius. So we will learn how does acceleration due to gravity varies when we go from pole to the equator. Or very interesting thing that if you buy certain amount of gold, if we buy certain amount of gold at poles and sell it at the equator, whether we will get benefit or whether we will incur loss, that will well explained by this. Now we know that G, suppose the acceleration due to gravity at poles is Gp and acceleration due to gravity at equator is Ge. So Gp can be given by formula Gem by Rp square, and the acceleration due to gravity at equator can be given by formula Gm by Re square. So what will happen here? Gp by Ge will be Gm by Rp square into Re square by Gm. That means Gp by Ge equals to Re square by Rp square. Since Re is greater than Rp, Re square will also be greater than Rp square. That means if this is greater, if numerator is greater and denominator is less, here also numerator will be greater and denominator will be less. That means Gp will be greater than G. That means the acceleration due to gravity at poles is greater than acceleration due to gravity at equator, because the polar radius is less than equatorial radius. That also means that the weight of a body, the weight of a substance at pole is less, and weight of a substance at equator will be, the weight of a body substance at pole will be greater and weight of a substance at equator will be less. That means when we buy certain amount of gold at pole and sell it at the equator, we will incur loss. That's all for today. Thank you.